Hakaway ke jingja ka belajar hakamet jong ka kendai terik nai luar arjar pusau hakaba kalami ke jingkeno persya yo way pulit sub inspector ke Laban police station ya ke Kyntait ke jong u ban Pdiang ya ke Ejahar jong ka way ke Longkmie kat kum kitulong kubor loong ba ka way ke Longkmie ke lalik ban pentep siki pulit ke Laban police station basyak takti ha way nongnya taksi bat ban buru da ke Ejahar ndai lakeno bo officer ubala syok ha yang hapdeng kakam ulah Kyntait ban Pdiang ya kani ke Ejahar hadu bakan demi ke jianya ke bajur hapadeng utei pulit bat ki bahyeng hasam jong kani ke Longkmie ka balej ujor loong ru baya kani ke nong ujor layarap no dakawai ke pulit Kyntait jong ka woman police station ke balapen register ya ke kes kat kum ke Ejahar habai dei bat kani ke jingja na ka liang superintendent of police ke East Castle district uba Silverstone nong tenger ulapen pau ke jing sokia ya ke jingle utei officer dak ba pentep bau ni officer ula syak suspend nakakam ka jing toket do officer pulit ke Laban sector kala penlong ya ke tenat ban le stat ke balas dang do SP ke East Castle u Silverstone nong tenger
Fun tu bersih ni.
Sakabuan, sakadan dengan duti, sakabuan. Labuan, kakmat itu asal.
Rega beliau.
Sakabuan.
Rega beliau. Hal nak buat tak.
Ngin viral ni video, ngin viral.
Tahu you video jak
Ngin viral.
bayar.
Dia persaplah kan ni video.
Mana dia? Laban.
Udan hak duti bad ubuat.
So regarding yesterday incident in the Laban police station that he misbehaved with the public while he came for lodging FIR and didn't entertain their FIR. So inquiry has been conducted by the SDPO of Purusla, who is a sector officer last night, and a sector officer and also another hunter. And as per his report, so a suspension order has been issued, and accordingly SI Ricky E. Weng is suspended from today. The fact is that he refused to entertain the FIR lodged by the public. So based on that, and also looking from the social media, looks like perhaps he was drunk. So we have taken action, and as I say, he has been suspended. Well, we always take a firm action to the misdeeds personnel of these castles, and we always rewarded for the good deeds, for the good actions. We always promptly give reward for them, and always we punish the misdeeds, be it officers or men. Yes, that 112, that is a common number. Any grievances, any problem, any hardships faced at the night, you call that 112, that will be around the clock. It's always our officers and men are there. So it's their duty mandatory to entertain, to help, to assist the public or whatever difficulties when they appear in the police station or pit house or outpost. The complainant, after they left the Laban police station, they went to Sadar police station to file a complaint. And necessary action has been taken by the officers of the Sadar police stations.
Kumno ba raju?
Kumne kong. Ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai creation jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba ukau iu unia. Dan ya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.